I know.
Take a video?
Yeah, I'm making one right now. They're so cool. They fly like right over the water. Like just inches off of it.